Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some awesome beer can burgers. Oh hell yeah. And we're going to be using some Flamin' Hot Cheetos, mac and cheese, and Lay's Flamin' Hot chips, crush them up, and we're going to hit the outside of these burgers, and we're going to wrap them in bacon. Oh, hell yeah. Get your 80-20 ground beef, and you're going to get about third-pound balls. Slap them down, crush a can in them. Oh, hell yeah. And you're going to wrap that up around your can, pull the can out. And I found an empty can works better than a full can. And put in whatever you want. Anything will do that you enjoy. Put in whatever you want. And then wrap the outside in bacon. And then you're going to crush up some of these Lay's Flamin' Hot potato chips in a bowl. And you're going to crust your burger with that. Well, that works. Yeah. You're going to take your beer can burger and drop that down into those potato chip crumbs and roll it around, get all sides coated, nice. Put it on your grill. I'm using the Char griller 980 and we're cooking at about 325, 350 degrees. We're smoking it with a little bit of cherry wood down in the bottom, and we're using that Royal Oak lump. Lump charcoal is the way to go, folks. Let me tell you, whatever brand you like, it doesn't matter. At least use lump. And kick it up to about 325.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Slap them on an elevated grate or even lower. Cleanup's going to be a little more of a mess if you don't have a pan underneath. That's all. In this Char griller 980, you're going to see a video for that to clean it up easy. Oh, hell yeah. Now you can use a thermometer for these burgers, or you can just trust the mahogany color of the bacon to know that it's done. And then you pull that off, put it on whatever kind of bun you like. I'm using a brioche bun. I toasted it a little bit along with the burgers onto this grill, and then put it together with a piece of the Kraft basic, no, it was Velveeta sliced American cheese. So any American cheese melted nicely over this for about 4 or 5 minutes, and voila, this is amazing.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Flamin' Hot beer can burger. Oh hell yeah, check it out. Let's get a bite of this bad boy. That's a messy one, folks. Oh hell yeah. It's so hot out, and we're adding Flamin' Hot. I'm sweating my ass off.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Damn delicious. Oh hell yeah. Hit the thumbs up on this Flamin' Hot beer can burger on the Char griller 980. Oh hell yeah. Peace.
Give me a hell yeah.